Hello, my friends, and today we'll be eating the chicken nuggies. Cookies will be next video. But anyway, friends, I have just finished my ASMR. Don't look down there. Hopefully I can section it into parts, so hold on. Hello, guys. Morgan here. Wait, hold up. So if I were just to go, then the food will appear. Look, watch. Bam. Oh, it didn't appear. Bam. Oh, dang! Freak, it is magical. Nah, JK. I spent 10 minutes making this, but here's our chicken nuggies. Here's my type of sauce. I am Nikocado Avocado. We love cheese. My girlfriend, we love dick cheese. We're not going to talk about that. No more dick cheese. I'll be back with my choice of drink. Alright, so we got my choice of drink. Chocolate milk. I'll probably do more of these, and yeah, so where do I start? That's a good pussy sounds like. Oh. Just kidding. Last time I did that, I got demonetized, so. Damn, that was a big ass fart. But, anyway. Ladies and gentlemen, sit down, enjoy, have your meals and stuff, and, oh. Oh. Let's do this shit. Let's do this shit. So where do I begin? Guess I just talk to you guys and... Oh! So damn good. Oh, as you guys can see, my Kakashi shirt, my Hunt's ketchup, probably can't see, chicken nuggets, chocolate milk, definitely not obese, my swords, for Sparta! Yeah! Logan, stop playing with swords. So how's your guys' day? This should only take like, I'm a fast eater, but I'm going to slow this down just for this video. Usually, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. There'd be 6 by now. But if we're counting the whole video, I'd be done. But I'm going to take my time because I'm just going to chill my swords, bro. And take my time. So, Bun, Kai. So, how's your guys' day? Interesting. God damn it, rain. It's raining pretty heavily outside. Pretty good. After this video, I should show you what it sounds like. It's good shit. Usually I'd be on my phone right now and taking my time, but As you can see, the pad is right there, and you want to see my Buffalo Beast self? I got pecs, bro. You're like, this dude's fat. Got pecs. Bro, I've had buff pecs since I was in like first grade. I just need to lose them titties and maybe gotta lose this, gotta lose this, gotta lose this, gotta lose this. Gotta lose this probably. Then maybe a girl will like me. Almost drilled that right in my toe. Ah. Oh, I'm not gonna be like most YouTubers. I'm gonna eat all of this. So. As you guys know, you probably don't know I'm picky. Ketchup is like my favorite sauce. Oh, crap. Oh. Dang it. Here, guys, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna stop the camera. I'm gonna go get some napkins just in case anything goes bad, because I don't want to be those mukbangers who get stuff on their mouths. That's disgusting. Dang, it's raining. Sorry, pretty heavily, but I might nick a Kato. Right there. That was a good fart, but. Oh crap, how rude of me. I didn't even offer to share any with you. Fucking rude. Oh. God damn. So be free to have some chocolate milk. Hopefully don't spill any. And this chicken nugget is yours. Psych, bitch, you thought this was yours. Okay, you can have it. Well, what's the rest of it? My dad's in the other room sleeping, so hopefully you don't hear this, but his back's creaky and his feet are creaky and his neck is creaky and he's really loud, and so I'll probably hear him, and he'll probably be like, "Oh, why you say those words?" My hair's a mess, looking like Josuke right now, bro. Them ugly Astro Boy looking hair. Well, you guys can hear me. Can you hear me? Didn't even get to ask you if you could hear me or not. Just some kid. Oh no, the edge of the sword got chipped. Oh wait, before I continue eating, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the edge of the sword is chipped. Like right here. Actually hurt pretty bad, but which sword do you like better? This one? This one. My personal favorite? I can't choose. My always favorite was this one. Then I like this one, so who knows? Bon. Kai. Oh, this one's lighter than this one. This is a small blade. This one's long, but it's even. Oh, and it's flexible, so. Ah, my PP vibrated, but it like vibrates. So, yeah. This took so long to set up because usually I don't have this in my room. I had to move it. The rain calmed down a bit. Ugh! One of them ketchups got bad. Wash that shit down with chocolate milk, bro. Not sponsored by Hershey's syrup or chocolate milk. Or Hunt's. Or chicken nuggets. No. Or paper towel. Or blinds. Or... Oh. And not sponsored by Lord of the Rings. Or The Hobbit. No! I got ketchup on my Kakashi shirt. Oh, that's sad. Not taking it off because I'm not showing my man boobs to the world. 3 pieces of chicken nuggets left. Sheep. Two left. Here, catch. No, dang it. I'm still eating that. Oh, luckily it landed on something nice, so. Oh no, the crumbs. I'll be back. I'm gonna finish the chocolate milk. That was good, so. Let me sit down. So if you enjoyed this little mukbang, tell me. I have an ASMR on the way too. This will come out after the ASMR that I already made. But yeah.